Welcome to Post-Flight by Trading Wings, a series of short videos designed to educate you on the types of plays we teach in the all-new, multilingual First Flight Trading Room. The first trading room of its kind, teaching you to the penny how to enter and exit trades so you can earn your trading wings today. For more information, visit us at tradingwings.com. Hey guys, welcome to the to my desktop, I guess. We're in this trade FTO, been in it for a while. What we did over lunch, started buying it here over 50 initially, went in real heavy over 50 the second time, and put our stop right under the low. I'll show you what we're looking at here. We're the daily chart. You got a possible breakout here on the daily chart, and you can see the resistance overhead. Now, I don't think I'll be sticking around today to try to get it over. I don't see a need for a breakout today. And you can see why if you look at the 15-minute chart here. Big old tail. All right, big selling there as it tried to break out this morning. Or you can look at these bars here on the 5-minute. That's the same as that tail. Now, what I'm looking for a target today is right in this area right here, which is about 30.85. All right. So what I'm saying and what we're talking about in the trading room is from 30.85 up here to about 31 is going to be our range. All right. And so we've defined that as our target. Now, we've had the market kind of pop a few times there. We've had oil holders, the rest of the stocks that are very similar to FTO have all decided to move higher and break above their prior highs. And FTO hasn't done that yet. So a little disappointing that we haven't had our move just yet. I am going to continue to stick with it. We've now had an opportunity to raise our stop under 50. And so basically what we're saying here, I just put it visually for you. We've decided, like we said, 30.85 to 31 is our range. That's our target range. And now we've had an opportunity to bring our stop, and we said under 50, let's go ahead and get out. And we'll take a very, very small loss at that point compared to where we were. So we're hoping to get a chance to raise that stop even tighter. And if this can make a new high, then I'll go ahead and raise my stop right under this low. Or I'll start looking to get out under this low here. So right now we're kind of waiting patiently for one or the other to happen. I prefer this one, but I'll take either or and would respond by getting out of the play in either one of those areas. You can see I have the Qs up at the moment. The Qs are trying to push back up into 54.20. We had the Qs long this morning, believe it or not, within the first 4 minutes. We had a 10-cent entry and got it all the way up to 54.20. It was a beautiful play. So we have some extra money to work with today. Put the spiders down here. You can see that the spiders have hit this resistance area and so far have pulled back. We'll see if they have any strength to get over it today. You're taking a look around at oil, the ETF, slowly moving up. Not much excitement there. The OIH, some of you follow that for the different oil holders. Also, a couple days down here, starting to move higher. A lot of things bullish today. We just got to get FTO over 69. I think would be on our way. There's clearly, or there's obviously a big seller right there. It's a hidden order. It's only showing that there's 400 shares for sale, and clearly there is a big seller. Let's see what happens here. Oh, no, it's going to pull back first. I'm going to say I buy 400 shares and see if he goes away. I think it's a hidden order, and so we're just waiting patiently to get through that. So what I'll do is, for better or for worse, I'll take you through this trade. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos. We'll just kind of walk through and see what happens. I hope it goes higher. I see the oil service stocks here kind of popping as well. But we've got a symbol that's not quite cooperating just yet. And so I'll pause the video. We'll come back once we see some action one way or the other. Here to 69 again, and I'm just going to watch this carefully for a minute. It looks as though there's a hidden order in there. If I can get it to a point here where it shows, maybe not, maybe it's gone. There's still some selling at 69, although it's showing 70 offer. Yeah, I bought a, yeah, okay, good. So we're through 69. I bought another 100 just to see if that was, just to see what happened there. Alright, so we've got a chance to get over 70 now. Taking a look around again at other things. We've got oil holders back up to the 200. Yeah, we just need our little pop on FTO here. Oops. So just waiting patiently to see what happens. I will I'll start filming again here once we get some sort of activity. We've got a lot of buyers at 68. Just nobody pushing it higher. So you see, it's only 3 o'clock market time. We've got plenty of time to get this thing higher, but you know, ideally I'd like to just see it make a new high so I could raise the stop. Alright, we seem to have made our new high here. We got through 70. Yay! Alright, so what we're going to do is now take our stop from under 50 and we can really tighten this thing up. What I'm going to look to do now, let's take a look here. There's 61. We'll say under 60. I'm going to start getting out of this thing. So I've got an opportunity now to lock in a little bit more money, or break even basically at this point. We'll say once we hit my average price, I'm going to start looking to get out. Now, if we can get up here into the up into the 80s, I'll start offering some shares out. Start trying to peel out of this play. Overall target for the play is still going to be inside of this range, and we'll see what happens. Finally got this thing to move. Patience seems to be paying off. Alright, so we've got FTO pushing back up into 80. Like I said, as we start getting up here, I'm going to start lightening up. Should start to get filled in here. There we go. Just starting to peel out little by little as we get up into our target. Generally don't wait for one specific number to get out. I like to see when there's buying in an area of a target. I like to put the shares out there for sale. So there's plenty of buying going on right now in the 80s. And so while people are there willing to buy, I want to be a part of that. So I'm just throwing out some orders little by little just to bring the position down, lock in a little bit more profit. Now what I'm doing is just putting all of this on the offer lightly. I don't show 4,000 shares on the offer. I'll just put them out there a couple hundred at a time, and as long as people are willing to buy them, I'm not going to go and hit the bid. As we hit our target area, if we see that it starts to struggle a little bit, then I'll become a seller hitting the bid rather than a provider of liquidity. So you can see we're coming down here, trying to get down to at least half size till we get into our target area. So far so good. Just maybe a little bit more to go. Looks like a seller here at 84. Let's join him and see what happens. Yeah, we got some shares to work through there at 84, and oh, there we go. Nice. I always like it when you think that's going to be a problem, and then it's not. Okay, so now we're coming up. This is our target. We have hit the target, and I think what I'm going to do is just continue to keep peeling out of this play. I was very patient on the pullback there earlier. I'd like to go ahead and start locking in as much as possible here. See if we can get it into the upper 80s maybe. Nope, apparently everybody else has the same idea to sell right in this area. So as of now, the target area that we've kind of picked, you can see the selling starting to come in. We are also 5 bars up into a target area, but we've had a chance to come out of more than half the position there. So I feel pretty good about it. Let's see if I could just get it up into the high 80s. As of now, we'll go ahead and take off this stop. This play is not going to be a loser from this point. So we go ahead and, if you have a stop in place, or we'll type that in the room here in just a second. Make it a break-even stop. Let me pause it for a second just to update the traders in the first flight room. Alright, so we're back here, just updated the room. If you're in the first flight trading room, you got a chance to see the actual entry posted ahead of time, and you get a chance to see how we're going to raise our stops and how we're going to manage these plays in real time. So there's a few traders in there that decided to play this trade with us today, and they're pretty happy. So we've got this tail here on FTO. We came right up into our target area. I did take off another 500, and I'm good to just leave this at break even here. Somewhat happy with the little profit there. It could have happened a little bit faster. All in all, it's a profitable play, so we can't be too frustrated. I would hope for one more pop up, though. You can see by the looks of the spiders here, we have formed a top and are on our way back down to support. Here I'm looking at the 5-minute. So there's a chance we end up walking away break even on the last part of this trade. What I'm going to do is, as we start getting down into 63 and 62, I'm going to start selling shares so that I make sure I can get out close to my price. So far, so good. Alright, so this video is getting just a little bit long. What I'm going to do is, like I said before, I'm going to start selling as we get down here towards the average price. I want to get out of the rest for break even if I have to, but I do want to give it a chance to make a new high. So that'll be what I do. You guys can go and look at the charts and see what happened later. Gotta get back to the room here and make sure to update everybody on what the process is. Hope you're enjoying these videos. We'll try to, hopefully they're a little bit better quality too. Try to get some more of these out to you soon. Have a great day.